Let's go through the revisions, please, as we've completed the chapter. Yes, children, we were doing disorders. Just go through it. We had done about thalassemia, you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, finally, let me show you the next disease. Just give me one second. Let me explain these to you and then you can revise beta. Cystic fibrosis I have already done. That is because of a mutation in which chromosome? 7th chromosome. Let's come to phenylketonuria, PKU. This is an error of metabolism. Again, it is an autosomal trait. It is not related to gender at all. And this is associated with the 12th chromosome. So you should prepare a table at home for your reference. Every day when you sleep at night, you should learn this. Go through it once. Which chromosomes, which problem. Okay? Like if you remember, if you make this table, we'll make it in such a way that if you talk about thalassemia for alpha globin, 16th chromosome, 11th chromosome, this is 7th chromosome, PKU, okay, is on the 12th chromosome. It's a very rare disease, very, very rare. What happens in this is that these people, there is an enzyme which is called phenylalanine hydroxylase. The name of the enzyme is phenylalanine hydroxylase. Okay, name the enzyme. Yes, children, name the enzyme. Phenylalanine, come on, beta, bolo. Hydroxylase, speak out.
Phenylalanine hydroxylase.
Yes, this enzyme is very important because it breaks down the amino acids. Which amino acid? Phenylalanine. This enzyme breaks down which amino acid?
Phenylalanine.
Into triosin. It breaks down phenylalanine into triosin. And this change takes place in the liver. Where does this change take place?
In the liver.
Name the enzyme. The enzyme is phenylalanine hydroxylase. What is its work? It converts an amino acid. The name of the amino acid is phenylalanine, and it converts it into tyrosine. And where does this process happen? It happens in the liver. Now, this phenylalanine is not being changed now. It should have been changed into tyrosine. But because this enzyme is not there, so nobody can change this enzyme into tyrosine. So this phenylalanine, this amino acid, it keeps getting deposited. It keeps depositing and it automatically gets converted into an acid, which is known as phenylpyruvic acid. Okay? So obviously what happens is there is mental retardation because accumulation in the brain. It starts accumulating in the brain only, so mental retardation takes place. Now, what is basically happens is this is also excreted through urine because of its poor absorption by kidneys. Even kidneys do not absorb this acid. It is generally excreted out through urine. So I'll give you 1 minute, read about phenylketonuria. Let's discuss about it once again. PKU is what we call it in short. We were discussing about a rare disease which is called yes, Peter.
Phenylketonuria.
Yes, it is called phenylketonuria. In short, we call it as
PKU.
yes.
PKU.
Very good. It is called PKU. Is it a very common disease or is it a rare disease?
Rare disease.
Yes,
Rare.
Peter, it's a this disease takes place because एक enzyme जो बनना चाहिए वो नहीं बन रहा है. Name the enzyme.
Phenylalanine hydroxylase.
Very good. Normal लोगों में this enzyme क्या काम करता है? What is its function? It converts an amino acid. Name the amino acid.
Phenylalanine.
Very good.
Phenylalanine.
Nice. It converts it into what, beta?
Tyrosine. Tyrosine.
Is easily used by the body. But now there are some people जिनमें ये enzyme बनेगा ही नहीं. If this enzyme is not functional, then this amino acid is not converted into tyrosine. वो accumulate होता रहेगा, deposit होता रहेगा बहुत सारा. And where does it deposit? जिसके कारण mental retardation, what we had read, there is a deposited beta. Which organ?
Phenyl pyruvate.
Where in the body will
brain.
it deposit? Yes, it will deposit in the brain.
In brain.
So obviously, जिसको भी ये problem होगा, it is going to cause mental retardation. Is it okay? Phenylalanine will keep depositing in the brain, and it is also passed out through urine. So it's a very, very painful process for the patients. Although this is very, very rare. Okay, PKU is caused because of a problem in one of the enzymes. Name the enzyme.
Phenylalanine hydroxylase. Phenylalanine hydroxylase.
What is the function of this enzyme? It converts an amino acid phenylalanine into
Tyrosine.
tyrosine. Now, when this enzyme is not working, phenylalanine will not change into tyrosine. So, it will get accumulated. Where will it accumulate?
In brain.
Very good. So, it will cause which kind of disorder?
Mental retardation.
Mental disorder.
Very good. Mental disorders. Let's move on to the next one. We are done with the first disorders, that is genetic disorders. All problem in genes and chromosomes. Genes, basically. Now we're going to talk about the chromosomal disorders. Chromosomal disorder means either the number of chromosomes or the structure of chromosomes, there is some problem. These are caused by absence, excess or abnormal arrangement of chromosomes. जितना होना चाहिए उससे ज्यादा number of chromosomes या कम number of chromosomes, या फिर जिस तरह से arrange होना चाहिए वो arrangement में कुछ गड़बड़ है. The chromosomal disorders can be studied by the analysis of karyotypes. Karyotype क्या होता है बेटा? Profile of a person's chromosomes according to their shape, size and number. We have a profile, we have a fixed pattern. कि ठीक है, ये organism है, supposing man है, so this is going to be the shape, this is the size of chromosomes and this is the number of chromosomes, सब fixed रहता है. So human karyotype. When I say human karyotype, I mean 23 pairs. ये size है chromosomes का, ऐसा इतना X, इतना Y. So that kind of a total arrangement of a person's chromosome is what we call as karyotype. Karyotype is basically the profile of a person's chromosomes. Let's talk about disorders. First disorder is Down syndrome. It is called Down syndrome because it was first described by Langdon Down. This takes, why does it happen? Because of the presence of an additional copy of chromosome. First chromosome, बेटा हर chromosome pairs में होता है, but इसमें trisomy है. मतलब 2 की जगह 3 chromosomes हैं. Which chromosome number am I talking about?
21st.
Yes. We have 23 pairs. So 22 autosomes and 23rd is the sex chromosome. So here I am talking about the 21st pair. Okay, यहाँ पे problem आ जाता है. Problem is the 21st pair. Pair होना चाहिए, but कितना हो गया? एक additional आ गया. This is called trisomy. What is it called?
Trisomy.
Yes. This is also seen in chimpanzees and other primate animals. इसके symptoms क्या होते हैं? Those people who suffer from this disease, height छोटा रह जाता है, head is round, tongue is furrowed. Furrowed means edges में cuts रहते हैं and partially open mouth. They cannot close their mouth completely. खुला रहता है हमेशा थोड़ा सा. Palm is broad with palm crease. Lot of pressed lines on the palm. Slow mental, physical and psychomotor development. Psychomotor, coordination of brain and muscles. Psychomotor, हमारा brain हमको message देता है कि remove your hand, हम immediately remove करते हैं. This is psychomotor process. तो इनका psychomotor development भी बहुत slow होता है. ब्रेन बहुत धीरे रिस्पॉन्ड करेगा भी तो मसल्स बहुत धीरे उस पर एक्शन देंगे. तब तक या तो इनको चोट लग जाता है या इनका एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है. सपोजिंग सच अ पर्सन इज ड्राइविंग एंड ही हैज अ स्लो मेंटल एंड फिजिकल साइकोमोटर डेवलपमेंट, तो ब्रेन धीरे बहुत देर में रिस्पॉन्ड करेगा इफ देयर इज अ व्हीकल टू पुट अ ब्रेक. एंड उसके बाद भी मोटर डेवलपमेंट, मसल्स भी जो रिस्पॉन्स है टू अप्लाई ब्रेक्स वो भी बहुत स्लो होगा कंपेयर टू नॉर्मल पीपल. हु इज तुषार बेटा? Is he a PCB student?
No, ma'am.
Never heard of
No,
this
ma'am.
Tushar. There's never Tushar in my class. Anyways, let's not admit him. Why should we waste our time? Let's talk about the other disease. अच्छा ये सबको समझ में आ गया? Down syndrome. It was described by whom? Why is it called Down syndrome? Because it was described by. Yes, Peter. Name the person.
J. Langdon down. J. Langdon down.
Normally chromosomes का pair होता है, but यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा problem आ जाता है. In which pair of chromosome? Which number?
21st.
Yes, Peter. Very good. 21st. क्या problem आया? 21st. It should be a pair. Pair की जगह कितने हैं?
3. Trisomy of 21st.
Yes, it's a trisomy. देखो बेटा, अगर normal होता है तो normal है. एक extra होगा we call it trisomy और एक कम होगा we call it monosomy. Let's talk about the next one. We have done this. This is a chromosomal disorder. Turner's syndrome. Turner's syndrome. How come there are two Mansis? Now, which Mansi is original? How do I know? Waiting
Ma'am,
room.
Mansi is not in the meeting.
In waiting room, there are two Mansis. Waiting room is showing two people and both of them are Mansi, surprisingly. Now, I don't know which Mansi should I admit. I wonder who is there. Let's not admit any one of them. As it is after 5 minutes, we are not supposed to admit. So let me not admit. Unnecessarily, somebody unwanted will join the meeting. Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome. This is a disorder which is caused due to the absence of one X chromosome. Normally, we have 46. But यहाँ पे कितने हैं बेटा? 45. Yes. So कौन सा X chromosome कम है? X और Y?
Y.
Yes, it is X chromosome. So which is less? Yes. So in place of 46, how many chromosomes are there?
45.
Which chromosome is less?
Y.
Which chromosome is less, I am asking?
X.
Yes, it is the X chromosome, children. So this syndrome is known as which syndrome? Turner's syndrome. What are the symptoms? Affected females are sterile because the ovaries are rudimentary, not active. They cannot produce eggs. Beta reproduction not possible. Rudimentary, सिर्फ नाम के लिए. Lack of secondary sexual characters and poor breast development. Although they are females, but the female sexual characteristics are not present in them. The body stature is not like females. Short stature, small uterus, puffy fingers, and webbed neck. So this syndrome is known as which syndrome?
Turner's.
Basically, the typical female characters are not developed. Breast development does not take place. Uterus does not develop. They cannot reproduce. We call them as rudimentary females. So this is Turner's syndrome. Obviously, it's going to affect only females over here. Charlie, let's do this. Klinefelter syndrome. It occurs due to the presence of an additional copy of X chromosome. Beta, देखो Turner's and Klinefelter's बिल्कुल उल्टा है. Turner's may we had one X chromosome less. And what is happening in Klinefelter's? Tell me what is happening in Klinefelter's. क्या extra है बेटा?
One chromosome.
Beta, I'll give you 1 minute. Read Klinefelter's. I think तब ठीक से समझ पाएंगे. Read once. हाँ बेटा, did you understand? Klinefelter syndrome. If you compare, it's quite the opposite of the one we did, बेटा. Additional X chromosome. इसमें जो ऊपर वाला था बेटा, Turner syndrome 1X, इसको देखो आप यहाँ से, ये वाला. Absence of 1X chromosome. एक क्रोमोसोम कम था, Turner syndrome, and वो कौन सा था? X वाला. Klinefelters में एक additional copy of X chromosomes. So 46 की जगह karyotype कितना हो जाएगा? 45 और 47. Yes. How many we'll have? 45 chromosomes or 47? एक extra X chromosome है. So we'll have 40. Males normal XY होना चाहिए, but एक additional X आ गया तो XXY. Females में भी XX होना चाहिए, एक additional X आ गया so it is triple X in female. So Klinefelter syndrome has additional chromosomes. Which ones?
X chromosome.
And which one we have one less X chromosome?
Turner syndrome.
Yes, it is Turner syndrome. Can you give me the karyotype of a female suffering from Klinefelter syndrome?
XXX.
Very good. It is XXX. And what about the males? Klinefelter affected?
XXY.
Yes, beta. Yes, it is XXY. So we got that there is an excess. So how many total number of chromosomes? What is the karyotype of such individual? Beta, how many? 45, 46, 47, how many? 47. 47 chromosomes. Perfect, beta. It is 47 chromosomes. So what is this disorder known as? Which syndrome is this?
Klinefelter syndrome.
Klinefelter syndrome.
Okay, beta. Let's move on to the next disorder. I'll show you on the just 1 second. We'll move on to the next disorder. Let's talk about the symptoms. Individuals have masculine development, but feminine characters. Okay, both the genders are present. Okay, they have poor beard growth and a voice like females. And such unclear individuals are sterile. They are not able to produce offsprings. both the genders mixed together. Okay, Klinefelter syndrome. So this is all about disorders, children. I'll show you the disorders. If you want me to explain any one of them again, I'll take it up again. There are two basically types of disorders. Just give me 1 minute. Yes, Peter. We know what is pedigree analysis. Yes, Peter. We did chromosomal disorders. Either one chromosome is less or one chromosome is. Let me show you the revision of this chapter now very quickly. The concept part. Let me know which one you want me to tell again. I'm just showing you the topics. Just go through the first 3 topics. Let me know if there's any topic you want me to do it with you again. Just go to the first 3 topics. Then let me know if there's anything which you want me to do with you again. Okay, beta? Yes, you want me to do anything with you once again? Are you okay with genetics, inheritance, Gregor, Mendel? Continue with Punnett square, law of dominance, law of segregation. Till here, please go through it. Any topic you want me to do again, please let me know. Yes, Peter. Up to law of segregation. Now, please, let's go through this. Chromosomal theory of inheritance, linkage. We just did linkage to derivation. Till here, is there any topic, Bache?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, beta, I'll show you the next one. Now the next is the disorders, honeybee. All this we had done. Male heterogamity, female heterogamity. Just go through this. Please feel free to tell me if there's anything. I'll take up the topic in detail again. Yes, Peter. Anything till here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Please feel free to tell me, huh? Because this is a very important chapter. I'll be taking up question answers also of this topic. Chapter, sorry. Mutation and pedigree analysis. Mutation, pedigree analysis. We've done this. Then we'll go to Mendelian disorders. I discussed it with you today. Chalo beta.
Ma'am, please explain this pedigree analysis.
Okay, one topic I've already got, pedigree analysis. For sure, beta, I'll do it. Let me first show you all the topics. Then we'll take up all the things which have to be done again. No issues. One topic I have got, pedigree analysis. Continue with the rest ones. Right from the beginning, I'll show you once again. Yes, children, seen the disorders? Should be confident of drawing these crosses also. Let me show them to you. This one, for example, color blindness topic comes and you should be able to draw this. See this cross. If you're not able to understand, let me know. Will you be able to draw this cross?
Yes, ma'am.
Color blindness. This concept. See this. What is substituted by what, at which position, which codon change is coming, all these things. Change is coming on which position, beta?
Sixth position.
Sixth position. What is being substituted? What is this?
Glutamic acid.
Yes. By what?
Vinyl.
GAG is changing to?
UG.
GUG.
Very good. You should be able to identify these pedigree signs. I think pedigree will have to take up again. So I'm leaving this part. I'll do it again. See these crosses now. Female heterogamety, ZZZW. Crosses for female heterogamety. Yes, Peter, what are the two cases? Two cases of female heterogamety. What are they?
Butterflies and moths.
Yes, so we should know where is the difference between both of them. Will you be able to draw these crosses? Because without crosses, your answer will not be effective.